Oh man, it's already finished. Let's try it out. Alright, let's wash our hands.
Yeah, my hands are pretty dirty.
Yeah. Yo, have you heard that rumor that there's no water in school?
What, again? There was no water last week.
Exactly, bro. I'm tired of this.
Okay, somehow there's water in the pond but not water in the bathroom?
Exactly, bro. What is this?
I bet 20 ringgits that there isn't gonna be any water.
Alright, bet. Alright, let's try it out.
Any water on your side?
Nope. What about yours?
Same here.
You know what? Let's get off. Can't believe there's no water.
Yeah, this sucks.
Yeah.
I can't believe there's no water again. It's like the fourth time this week and it's Thursday, dude.
I know, right? I'm so sick of this bathroom.
Oh wait, it's Brit. Hi guys.
Hey guys!
Do you guys have water on your side?
No, not really. What about you guys?
Same thing here. You know what? We should do something about it.
Yeah, actually, you're right. What do you think, lady?
I also.
You know what? Let's go back to class and discuss about this.
Yeah, let's go. Oh, what if we can do something like this? So this is the container, right? So whenever it rains, it will just store the water inside of the tank. What do you guys think of that?
What if it's drought season?
Guys, I have an idea. What if we...
That's actually a great idea!
Greetings, I'm Brittany. My name is Lily.
I'm Joseph.
And I'm Daniel.
And we are
The Mavericks.
Today, we will be presenting about our prototype called RPW, also known as Reincarnated Purified Water. Before we delve deeper into our prototype and what it does, let us first tell you about what problem we're facing against. How can we prevent water insufficiency in the restrooms of SM Sentron Tuaran?
The SDGs in our project are number 6, clean water and sanitation, number 7, affordable and clean energy, and number 11, sustainable cities and communities, while the nexuses are water and energy.
What does it mean by its efficiency? Based on data, there are 700 students in our school and each of them use 14 liters per day. After some interviews and calculations, the sufficient amount of water needed in our school is 4,200 liters per day.
So, what are the current existing solutions? Well, our school uses 3 restrooms and 3 tanks. Those tanks can be filled around 3,500 liters to 4,000 liters. Well, you might ask me, why is this solution very limited? Well, it holds very amount of water and cannot be guaranteed the water can be always stored inside of the tanks. Our solution is a backup product that produces water from the air, using the concept of condensation. If you're unfamiliar with the concept, basically, water vapor turns into liquid water. To achieve this, you need a cold surface to come in contact with humid air. Now that you're familiar, let's take a look at our solution.
How exactly is it better? Firstly, you'll get safe and pure water. How, you may ask? A UV light will be integrated into our product.
Secondly, our AI and app integrated prototype ensures consistent water availability while enabling water flow and quality tracking through real-time monitoring.
Thirdly, it's also solar powered, which will reduce the electricity cost and still function as normal. Last but not least, it's cost effective.
While our invention may be capital intensive upfront, over time it will deliver cheap and sustainable water.
Okay, here's how our prototype works. So this fan will suck the air outside into the prototype, and then the Peltier module, which is located here, the cold side of the Peltier module will condense the air inside the prototype and form water droplets. These water droplets will be stored into this container. As you can see, there's water here. And then at the same time, this fan will be turned on to cool the hot side of the Peltier module, so that it doesn't affect the cold side of the Peltier module. Okay, then the water stored in here will be filtered by UV light, and the water quality will be checked by the turbidity sensor. Once the water level reaches a threshold, the water pump will pump the water into this water tank. The water, see? It will pump the water.
Maybe, just maybe, you may be thinking, how is this related to any of the SDGs we mentioned earlier on? Well, first of all, you get to enjoy clean and pure water and all the sanitation processes it goes through. Second of all, it's solar powered. It doesn't rely on charging from ports and mainly through the solar panel. Third, it ensures water availability in the areas implemented.
Our prototype costing 325 ringgits, in which the components costed 291 ringgits and the other materials costing 34 ringgits.
As our project progresses, we plan to implement a few more features, such as personal insights on optimal operating times or AI app model integrations to ask questions. For example, how the system works or troubleshooting, and it'll give automated explanations or a step-by-step guide on how to work it.
That's all from us. Thank you. Bye.
Wait, where's my 20 ringgits?